ChatGPT4 is an artificial intelligence AI technology that is revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. By combining natural language processing, machine learning, and state-of-the-art neural networks, ChatGPT4 is able to understand and respond to humans in an unprecedented way. In this video, we will be exploring the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT4 and how it can be used to unlock its true potential. So before we start, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on notification to get you updated on our future videos. What is ChatGPT4? ChatGPT4 is an advanced natural language processing (NLP) technology developed by OpenAI. It is an extension of GPT-3, the world's most powerful AI language model. ChatGPT4 allows users to have conversations with a virtual assistant using natural language. It can generate responses based on the user's input, allowing for meaningful conversations. It also has the ability to learn from conversations, getting smarter over time. ChatGPT4 is a powerful tool that can help businesses automate customer service and other tasks. By leveraging the power of AI, ChatGPT4 provides an easy way to increase efficiency and reduce costs. With ChatGPT4, businesses can quickly respond to customer inquiries without needing to hire additional personnel. This will enable companies to focus their efforts on developing new products or services rather than answering basic customer inquiries. Additionally, companies will be able to easily tailor customer experiences based on specific user needs or preferences. For example, if a customer frequently asks about shipping times, the chatbot could provide answers tailored specifically for that individual's situation. How can ChatGPT4 help you? ChatGPT4 is an advanced natural language processing (NLP) technology that has the potential to revolutionize how humans communicate with machines. This technology was developed by OpenAI and allows computers to interact with humans in a more natural way, enabling them to understand natural language. It can also help to generate meaningful responses to conversations. ChatGPT4 can be used for a variety of applications, from customer service to virtual assistant tasks. For example, ChatGPT4 can be used to answer customer queries quickly and accurately, or help a virtual assistant respond to users in natural language. In addition, ChatGPT4 can be used to generate intelligent dialogue between two users. This technology can understand context and emotions, which makes it possible to hold meaningful conversations with a computer. This could be used in chatbots, or even to create conversations between AI-driven avatars. Finally, ChatGPT4 can be used for a range of creative applications. For example, it could be used to generate stories or poems based on user input, as well as compose music or other audio recordings. In short, ChatGPT4 is an incredibly powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with computers. What are the benefits of using ChatGPT4? ChatGPT4 is an incredibly powerful natural language processing (NLP) tool that has revolutionized how we interact with computers. It's capable of understanding complex conversations and can be used for a variety of tasks, ranging from customer service chatbots to automated text generation. Using ChatGPT4 can provide several benefits, including 1. Improved accuracy. ChatGPT4 utilizes an advanced, deep learning-based model which allows it to understand conversation in a much more precise way than traditional NLP systems. This means that it can provide more accurate results, leading to a better user experience. 2. Increased efficiency. ChatGPT4 can help speed up processes by quickly understanding conversations and providing relevant answers. This makes it perfect for automating mundane tasks and providing more efficient customer service. 3. Enhanced natural language processing. With ChatGPT4's advanced model, users can expect to get better results from natural language processing. This can lead to better quality conversations between humans and machines, as well as improved accuracy in automated text generation. 4. Cost savings. Since ChatGPT4 is an open-source tool, it does not require any upfront investment. This makes it a great choice for businesses looking to save money on their technology investments. Overall, ChatGPT4 is a powerful tool that can bring several advantages to businesses and individuals alike. Its deep learning capabilities can help streamline processes and provide accurate results, while its open-source nature makes it a cost-effective option. For anyone looking to maximize their potential when interacting with computers, ChatGPT4 is an ideal solution. The risk of using ChatGPT4. Using ChatGPT4 comes with certain risks, especially if it is not used properly. One of the main risks associated with ChatGPT4 is that it can produce inappropriate or offensive content if left unchecked. This can be particularly dangerous in sensitive contexts such as customer service, where a chatbot may produce an inappropriate response to a customer's inquiry. Additionally, ChatGPT4 is not able to recognize and understand context, which means it can generate responses that are nonsensical or inappropriate for the situation. Another risk associated with ChatGPT4 is data security. As ChatGPT4 uses natural language processing algorithms, it can be vulnerable to hackers who might be able to access sensitive data through the system. Additionally, since it is powered by artificial intelligence, there is the potential for malicious actors to use the system to produce false information. Finally, ChatGPT4 is still relatively new technology and is not yet widely adopted. Therefore, it can be difficult to find experienced developers and engineers to implement and maintain it. As a result, it can be difficult to assess the true cost and potential risks of using ChatGPT4. Overall, while ChatGPT4 is a powerful tool for businesses looking to automate their customer service processes, it does come with certain risks that need to be taken into account. By understanding these risks and taking measures to mitigate them, businesses can ensure they get the most out of their ChatGPT4 investment. And that's it for today's video. We hope that you've learned something new and gained insight into the capabilities of this powerful language model. ChatGPT4 is the latest version of the GPT architecture, and it's designed to deliver even more advanced language processing capabilities than its predecessors. With its ability to generate natural language responses that are indistinguishable from those of human beings, ChatGPT4 is poised to revolutionize the field of conversational AI. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT4 or exploring how it can be used to solve real-world problems, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're always happy to answer any questions you may have and to help you get started on your journey toward unlocking the true potential of ChatGPT4. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.